Hi Sonu Sood garu, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Namaste. I'm
Namaskar.
super fine.
Yeah.
Hi Amaira.
Hi.
Looking so beautiful and gorgeous.
So are you?
Oh, thank you. So, Kung Fu yoga.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kung Fu ki yoga ki relation enti annadi ardham kaledannamata first of all.
Kung Fu and yoga are both forms which, if you talk about yoga, you talk about India, and if you talk about Kung Fu, you talk about China.
China, yeah.
So when India and China come together,
Okay.
that's when Kung Fu yoga comes.
Wow.
So both are, that's why, Indian artists and the Chinese artists, they come on the same platform and make a film like Kung Fu yoga.
Wow.
He pointed at me when he said Indian artist, not at himself. Huh? Now
Yeah.
he's become really.
Yeah, Indian artist.
Sonu's become
Indian-
international.
I said Indian artists.
So you were like Indian artist.
He is not Indian artist and he is not China artist. He is Indo-Chinese artist.
He is
Indo-Chinese.
international. Sonu Sood
Now
has
he has
gone
become that.
international.
We are all on the same plane, yeah.
Yeah. Wonderful opportunity definite గా.
Yeah.
ఇండియన్ చైనీస్ రెండు ఫిల్మ్ ఫ్రాటర్నిటీ కలిసి చేస్తున్న సినిమా అంటే అసలు ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ థాట్ ఎలా వచ్చింది ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్?
I remember first time I got a message from the production house that we are making this film, and I remember when Modi ji had gone to China, they had announced a huge Indo-Chinese production. The film should happen, and both the countries should come together.
ఎస్ ఎస్.
So Kung Fu Yoga was the first film that was planned that the Indian and Chinese cultures have to come together on the same platform.
Okay.
And when I got the first message for this film, so I was pretty excited about it, and I was really looking forward going and shooting in China with all those Chinese actors, and I feel the whole experience was phenomenal. Though it took around 8-10 months, and we traveled in 4 different countries. But like I always say that when you enjoy on the sets, that's when the film works, and we thoroughly enjoyed on the sets.
Myra, how did you get into this project and how about your character in the movie?
I think y'all were shooting with Ileana first, and then there was something, I don't know what happened genuinely.
Okay.
And I think I know that somehow my name came into this because of Sonu.
Credits
No,
goes to
actually she
Sonu
deserved
Sood
it. She
in
deserved
this
it.
film.
I remember there's one of my friend who had suggested her name.
Okay.
And then
And then I auditioned.
she auditioned.
Oh.
I
and
was one of the, because there were ongoing auditions.
Okay.
And I didn't even know what I was auditioning for. Suddenly I got this English script and I'm like, Arey, this is really weird because even in Bollywood, we've never had an English scene,
Okay.
you know? So I was just like, okay, I didn't know what was going on, nothing. I auditioned, then suddenly 1 month later, hadn't heard anything from anybody, nothing. I realized that they called me saying that you got the film, now we need to pack you up and send you to China and train you. And then later I found out that actually I was even like sent in for the audition, like my name even came up because Sonu had apparently mentioned it to them. Both me and Disha.
yeah, it's
Both of us.
ఇద్దరిని మీరే ఇన్సిస్ట్ చేశారా ఫర్ దోస్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ దోస్ టూ
No, I remember we were shooting in Dubai in one of the hotels, and when they were shooting, and Jackie and Stanley, in between the shots, they were telling that, do you have anyone, in India, just recommend her. So, but at the time, I knew about Amira, but we never
met.
And then I spoke to one of my friends, and he had
ఇంతమంది హీరోయిన్స్ ఉండగా వై అమైరా?
Why Amara? Because she deserves it.
Okay.
She's very, very good, and Kung Fu Yoga was always written in her destiny. The rest is all just, all we can just talk about it endlessly, but I think she deserves to be here, and that's why she's here.
ఒక ఇండో చైనీస్ ఫిల్మ్ చేయడంలో ఎలాంటి కొత్త స్టెప్స్ తీసుకున్నారు మీరు?
Both the countries are really looking forward to this film.
Yes.
So it was very important to have the flavor of both the countries, the culture of both the countries, and to be shot in both the countries. We have shot major portions in Jaipur, and the film is also the story is also from India, and it gets into China and Tibet and all these areas.
Yeah.
And that's why it's a right Indo-Chinese film, with a collage of Indian and Chinese actors and locations which I think everyone will connect to.
ప్రపంచం మొత్తం ఆయన్ని ఫాలో అవుతూ ఉంటారు. ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ హిస్ ఫిల్మ్స్ అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ యాక్షన్, అంటే యాక్షన్లో ఆయన కింగ్, ఇంకా ఆయనకి మించి లేరు అనేది ప్రూవ్ చేసేసుకున్నారు. మెయిన్గా ఈ సినిమాలో బాగా ఎంటర్టైన్ చేసే పార్ట్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్ పర్టికులర్ ఎలిమెంట్ దట్?
You'll see Jackie Chan dancing for the first time in this.
Yeah,
He's
we
done
have
lots
seen
of
that in
action,
that song.
so he'll be dancing, and
దట్ వన్ పర్టికులర్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ దేర్ నో ఇన్ దిస్ సాంగ్.
yeah, that you have the Indian
Yeah,
step
Indian
like this,
step,
something
everything.
like that. So That's the USP again for his Jackie Chan fans.
We got to know that that is your idea completely to make Jackie Chan dance.
I wanted that Indian number to it, and when one day we just thought about it and I shared with him. So the director was very excited about it, and all the actors, I think everyone said, let's do it. And then I spoke to my friend Farah Khan, and I said, you should have to do the number, and she was pretty excited about it, and this is how it happened. Yeah.
What is the differences between Bollywood and Tollywood or Bollywood